This session will be recorded. Those who are not able to join this session, they can see the recording of this session. So this is a disclaimer of the software because this is a program developed by Smart Finance. However, this is for educative reference purpose. Software can make the mistake also. So here it is should be utilized as a reference tool, and all the risk assessment you need to do properly. So these are the disclaimers of the software. So today you are going to learn it is a long program I have put it. So 3 days time I have given here. Day 1, today you are going to learn about the crypto options, max pain, IV rank, percentile, option Greeks, how our software is going to help you. Tomorrow we will be understanding certain credit and debit spread in the crypto options. Day 3 we will set the goal, and based on the goal we will form different strategies, but you will not get the detail about that. So we are currently running a 1-year program. So those who have enrolled in that program, they are testing many strategies, they are experiencing many strategies, so they are deriving specific reference from that strategies. However, one introductory gateway to these strategies you can get. So here if I go by comparison, suppose if I go by the comparison of Nifty with the crypto strategies, crypto F&O. I'm not talking about crypto investment, crypto futures and options. Crypto futures and options are available only in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So future is available in all coins. However, F&O options is available only in Bitcoin and Ethereum. If you compare this, one contract of Nifty is 17 lakhs currently. If you go for one scientific way of hedging this thing, if you go with a proper hedging of this thing, so you can say long-term option you are hedging or short-term option you are hedging. So cost of hedging the Nifty contract starts with from 50k to 1.5 lakhs. So this is what it is there, and nowadays lot of new things they have added: peak margin, risk-based margin, expiry day margin. So all these 3-4 components of margin, you need to maintain a liquidity always, or else they will close your position. However, comparing to that crypto F&O, contract size starts with only $80 or $85 per Bitcoin, and similarly it is starting with some $20 to $25 in the Ethereum. So $85 if I am telling here, so it is almost 17 to 18,000 only. Here 17 lakhs, here 17,000. So this is the contract size is less. There is no restrictions of writing the options. You can't do this, you can't do that, you can't do. You can do writing of option, you can buy the option, anything you want you can do. So hedging cost also, since the contract is less, hedging cost also comes down very drastically down. Hardly some 850 rupees to 1000 rupees you can spend for the hedging cost. Comparing about the returns, so today also we have concluded certain things. I will not go deep into that strategy. You can say many of you, those who are joined this program, today we have taken a forecast from 1st April to 15th April. We did the trade. So this is a trade is being done. In between lot of ups and downs has come, adjustment happened, everything happened. So here if I say the contract size, total our trade happened in the 9.75 lakhs worth of contract. 135 lots of Bitcoin comes to 9.75 lakhs worth of future contract. So almost half of the Nifty is 17-18 lakhs, means it is half of the Nifty. Same way of adjustment will be there in Nifty also. Same way of your all things if I maintain the same. So today, if I say $150, if I'm just factoring as a expenses from here, so almost 700 plus dollars it has earned in 15 days. All in between, the Bitcoin has fallen drastically 10-20%. It has gone up drastically 10-20%. We stick to the similar kind of adjustments and other things. But end of 15th day, we are sitting with a profit of $700 post expenses. So which is almost 56,000 rupees. Almost 56,000 rupees. Those who have joined this program, they have already experienced it. Based on their lot size, they are being awarded. So 56,000 rupees on 9.75 lakhs worth of contract, it is done. Similar way, we have currently many strategies we are running. So we have strategies, one more strategy we are running $10, another strategy we are running $24, another strategy we are running $111. So here, why it is making possible here, but to achieve a break even in the Nifty and all, why it takes time and sometimes it looks impossible. The reason is continuous data. First is, it is a 24-hour market. Options, it has daily expiry, it has weekly expiry, it has monthly expiry. So every day's expiry, every week's expiry, every month's expiry, it is there. So that is the continuity of the data, or it is continuous random data. That is the first benefit of this system. So you can able to hedge based on your requirement on daily or weekly or monthly. So different objectives you can hedge it. Number one. Number two, here many technical parameters. This is I am using the delta. You have Binance also. So here many technical parameter which is required by one option trader. So today all those things also we are going to learn. Whatever the data is required for a option strategy trader, it's max spend, you get it on click, you get its open interest change parameters, you can get all its volume versus strikes and IV with respect to the real-time volatility of underlying asset. So that also is there. Then IV difference between the implied volatility and the realized volatility to know whether the volatility is falling or rising or constant. So that parameter you get. Many of your technical parameters you get inbuilt and without paying any software charges or anything. You need not have to pay anything for this. These platforms, any platform you go, either this platform or any of this crypto F&O platform, they give all these technical informations on hand and it is error free. Whereas to get these informations from the NSE or anything, you can't get it first. Even though if you want to get it, they will give you all erratic data, and for that also they will charge in lakhs. That's why to get that things is very difficult. Maintaining that things in software also it is difficult. So all these things are there. And moreover, there is a lean period or there is a silent period in Nifty. 3:30 after you have no control till next day market did not open. Once market open, there will be a gap up or down. So you have a window of from 9:15 to 3:30. With that you want to operate. And rules, they will define whatever rules they can put. So these are the factors are playing there. So here objective based trading is you can do. Technical parameters, if you know these terms, you can able to read and utilize these terms for your benefit. Second, you will have a control over your positions always. Don't think that if I am sleeping, then how I will have a control over your position. So your hedgings will keep on protecting you even though if you are sleeping. So these are the benefits of the crypto F&O platforms as well as Nifty platforms, and arbitrary rules and other things. However, here this domain is non-regulated. They are not regulated with the SEBI or anything. Once they will become regulated, you can't get this flexibility, because they will get all rules and other things will come that they have to follow those rules. They will hide some informations. Many things will come, but till that is not happened, you have all privilege to access all advanced data points and take your trade decisions. So these are the things of important things in the Nifty and crypto platform options. So like in our Nifty, we have weekly options, monthly options, long-term options. Here you have daily expiry options. Every day 5:30 one new series will start, next day it will end. So 16th expiry will happen tomorrow at 5:30. 17th expiry will happen on 17th 5:30 evening. So every day this expiries happens. Besides that, you have April month contract, May month contract, and these are the weekly contracts. 2nd May, 18th April, these are the weekly contracts. Strikes are same like you are seeing in the Nifty. So left side calls, right side puts. But one interesting thing you can find it here. Somebody is putting a bid, somebody is putting an offer. So both at what IV it is they are giving, that also this platform defines or displays you. Not only that, you are seeing the price quotes here, whatever the seller is asking, whatever the buyer is asking, and in between one middle price is sitting here, that is called mark price. Sometimes the buyer and the seller orders will have a big spread. So mark price is a price exchange regulates. In case of any difficulties, they will be squaring of your positions or closing your positions at mark price. This is also like a referee. It doesn't belongs to you, doesn't belongs to him. So in between price is the mark price, that is exchange regulated price. And once you scroll it down, you say that what was the trade happened, at what price, what time, how many lots. All this trade information also is being given transparently for every contract. Fine. So daily expiry is there, monthly expiry is there, weekly expiry also is there. So here these are the strikes, as I said to you, that is trading. So any strike you choose, but NSE and all you may not get this info. Suppose I have just chosen 85,000 call option of expiry 16th April. All technical informations. What is very important technical information in option? I need the option Greeks. Option Greeks. So all Greeks you can see here, gamma, theta, vega and delta. So these informations which is very remote in the NSE type of domain, where you are virtually not having the rights to see this information. They'll just give the price and leave it up. But there, here you get all information of all strikes, real-time basis. So that is another benefit. Second thing is that your bid price, offer price, both IV also you are getting. So this is how most of the platforms works in this order. Left side calls, right side puts, and they're all their Greek informations also you get. So once you are getting this Greeks, this is for entire one coin of BTC. Means this 0.71 of delta, it belongs to one BTC, one complete Bitcoin. So All these prices, it is in dollar. So here 0.71 belongs to entire 1 Bitcoin, and 1 Bitcoin corresponds to 1000 lots. So if you are buying one lot of the 85,000 call option, its delta will be 0.71 divided by 1000. If you are selling one lot of call option, this will be minus 0.71 divided by 1000, because 1000 lot of Bitcoin consists of one coin, means it is a fractional contract. So one contract of Bitcoin future is, one lot of Bitcoin future is $86 USD. 86 USD. One lot of Nifty, how much? 17 lakhs. One lot of Bitcoin is 86 USD. So 86, here the reference rate is 85. So you can multiply the way you want, 17 to 20,000 rupees one contract. So contract is smaller. So once contract becomes smaller, you have many benefits and drawbacks also. First benefit is you can do the hedgings in a very clear ways. It's a smaller contract. One lot if you add also, it will neutralize the delta, neutralize the theta, neutralize the vega. So here if you are seeing that delta, you have understood. So same 85,000 call option, theta is 37, 371.59. So 371.59 theta, negative. Theta always negative. This is for how many lots? 1000 lots. So one lot will have, so this divided by 1000. So theta also like this you can have, delta you can have, vega you can have. And here another benefit is IVs are always 40%, 50%, 60%, 70%, even 100%. So IVs, this kind of IVs, Ethereum and all, you will get 90%, 100% also. So these IVs, this kind of IVs is common here. It is common. But in stock market and all, to get this kind of IV once in 10 years, like a corona type of situation, we got this IV. Then after not. But these instruments always maintain this IV. So this part is done. Now, question comes that some fundamental attributes. What are the fundamental attributes? So fundamental attributes here, as I said to you, we'll start with the IV rank and IV percentile. So forget about their formulas, how they have calculated all things. IV rank or IV percentile, that is a scale between 0 to 100. So if IV rank or IV percentile is 0, then trader makes it implement a strategy that benefits him from increase in volatility. If it is 90%, then trader makes a strategy which can benefit him from falling in the implied volatility. If it is 50%, then it is stable. Trader implement a strategy which will benefit from range bound market. That is what this IV rank and IV percentile means. If you have pen and paper, take a note. Rank or percentile, 90% will initiate a strategy to benefit from decrease in implied volatility. So strategy, you decide what is that strategy. Nifty, we are not getting that, so we are not able to implement properly. IV rank 90%, we should implement strategy to benefit from the falling in implied volatility. 0, rise in implied volatility. 50% range bound. So it means we should implement a strategy which will benefit from range bound market. Now go to the data. Data here. So here I am going for the data. 16th is daily, 17th is day 2, 18th is April. So all this data you are getting, say day 1, 16th max pen you got. So scroll it down and the day 1 data is already there. So if I just go here, day 1 data and IV percentile. Have a look at here. IV percentile is how much? 69.15. IV of average IV of the options, tradable options for 16th expiry, tomorrow 5:30 expiry contracts. Average IV is 45%. The real-time volatility of the instrument, Bitcoin's instruments, Bitcoin's volatility is 46.65%. IV percentile using the formula comes to 69.15. So what kind of strategy you will implement? Tell me. No calculation, nothing required, and this is every time you will get it. So you can say when IV percentile at 4 o'clock 25 minutes, it was 27% IV percentile. So then it has come to 13% of IV percentile. That means it is telling you should initiate a strategy which should benefit from the rise in volatility. So near to 0, 13%, 0 to 13%, 50 below. So now if you would have initiated that kind of strategy, now it is 66% mid of that. So this value get operated real time basis. Real time basis it operated. So how easy it is to follow. So then it goes to max spend. What is a max spend? The probability of getting a expiry or the concentration of strikes, it is telling if Bitcoin expires at 82,600 tomorrow by 5:30, max spend is 82,600. It says tomorrow by 5:30, if Bitcoin expires at 82,600, then most of the call buyers as well as put buyers will land in loss. This is what max spend says. What is max spend? If Bitcoin falls tomorrow to a level of 82,600, then those people, those who have bought the options, call or put, anything, all of them will land in the majority. 90% of them will land in loss. So now Bitcoin is 86,200. It has a remote chance. So you can say 4,000 point it is above. So by seeing this max spend, what you can derive? So if you just have a sell of 82,600, 82,000 call and put option, and again you hedge it with certain things, then you can say that if the price fall to 82,600, then I will be at a biggest profit, because that says buyers of the option. Max spend says if the price wherever it is downside or upside, from here if it fall to 82,600 by tomorrow 5:30, then majority of the option buyers will land in loss. Definition. Now how will translate it? How will understand it? So now by seeing this current price, you are saying that there is a very remote chance that it should fall. Means buyer of the options are having a edge, means they may not lose all money. They are not going to have a maximum losses here. If one buyer of options doesn't land in big loss, what he will do? Suppose this says that if buyer of options having now very remote possibility, because current price is far away from the max spend. That means let them buy any strike. The buyer of options will have very less probability to lose money. If buyer of the options having a very less probability to lose money, the buyer of the options will hedge its profits through future buy or future sell. That is one conclusion, logical conclusion. Second, this will set the trends or the direction of the trend. Now it is direction of the trend is upside. So this will set the direction of trend upward. Because the buyer of the option, put buyer or call buyer, is not going to lose the money. So he is going to hold his positions tightly. Open interest will increase. Open interest will not fall. So price going up, with open interest going up, so trend is up. So this says now, since the buyer of the options are having less probability to lose the money, so open interest will not fall. So open interest is not falling, price is in the upward direction, so the uptrend will continue. This is the second conclusion you will derive. Many ways, if you just go deep into this subject, many ways you can translate it. Suppose daily options you don't want to trade. You want to see the monthly option. Have a look here. 75,000 max pen. You are far away from there. Far away from there. So many other things you can see. So we have seen this is for daily options. Now we are seeing that this thing. We will see the IV rank and IV percentile for monthly. So monthly what it says? So monthly it is saying that IV percentile is 50% or 51% or 52%. What you will in for? IV percentile, just now I told you. By looking at IV percentile of 53%, what is the conclusion you are going to give me? What kind of market or strategy you will should initiate? Will you initiate a strategy which will benefit from rise in volatility? Will you initiate a strategy which will give you the benefit in the fall in volatility? Will you initiate a strategy which will benefit you independent of IV? Means it is a range bound related strategy. So which kind of strategy you will recommend me by seeing this IV percentile? Give quick answer. Just now I told you 90% IV will fall. So we will initiate the strategy to benefit from fall in IV. We will initiate strategy which can benefit from zero means rise. Volatility will go up, we will get benefited. Now we are at 50%, neither 100 nor 0. We are at 50%. So that means what kind of strategy we should initiate, so that monthly contract, so that we will get benefited. What kind of strategy? Strategy may be anything. You can take a short straddle, short strangle, short got, anything you name. Type of strategy I am talking about. What type of strategy? Bullish, bearish, volatility is going up means IV is going up means bearish strategy. Volatility IV is going to fall means bullish strategy. Now 50%. What you should take? No answer. And just tell that drive me anywhere you want. Have you ever drove a car? Just get inside, start the vehicle, and don't think anything, and put accelerator, clutch, everything, release the brakes. Wherever it takes, it goes. You have a destination. I have to go to bank, I have to go to park, I have to go to hotel, I have to go to restaurant. So you have an objective for that. But while trading, there is no objective at all. So here, trading for profit, that is, you all will agree with me. I want to trade for profit. Fantastic answer. No doubt about that. That is a 100% correct answer. But how to get that profit? Do I know that what plan, what action I should put in place so that I should get profit? That is important. When you have a plan of action, what are the parameters required? Currently, what the IV, what story the IV says. So IV says that, the story of IV says that now I am going to be range bound for monthly contract. But that doesn't mean that will change also. In between, you can say when it was on the 10th of April, it was 84%. Before that also it was much bigger. Here also 85%. So it was telling that I will fall. I am 85, 86%, I am going to fall. 90% above. Now it is saying that I am 50% or 49%, I am going to stay here. I am not going to fall. Second, here too also there is another part say that realized volatility and implied volatility, it is negative. Means the realized volatility IV related returns are negative. IV is falling. IV is falling down. IV is falling down means, what does it means? That your delta related strategy will not work, theta will work, vega related strategy will not work. So these are the fine prints data, you get it here on hand, which you do not get in the Nifty type of stocks. Fine. So you got to understand Maxfen, IV rank and IV percentile, it's Greeks, all these things I have told. So now you can say we have this software, crypto analysis software. Some of those who have joined the program, they got it. And this software, you do not know, say, what strategy I will take. So I will be just going to the strategy, hitting a button called strategy. You are a newbie, you do not know what strategy I should take so that I should be get benefited from this thing. Currently market is going on. What kind of strategy I should take, and in the days to come it is going to improve like anything. Currently it is in this form. So it is now hunting for the strategy for you. What kind of strategy you should initiate so that it should benefit you. You do not know what strategy I am going to take. It is going to tell you. So now it is simulated. It says you can buy the futures one lot, sell, buy one put option of 25th expiry one lot. You sell this call option now at this thing 620. It is a daily expiry, 16th expiry. Suppose you are saying that okay, I am okay with this, and you are going for, say, track it. So track, I am just going to strategy 1 2, I am giving its name, putting track started. So this is the price it has told, it has initiated, now it has started tracking. You can see here. So it is for one complete Bitcoin, not for one lot. One lot means divided by 1000. So it is for one complete Bitcoin. It is going on telling you. So it has started tracking this thing. So this notifications will keep on coming. Track will happen. Adjustment it will suggest. So like this way, this will keep on doing the thing. Suppose if you have done this one strategy, you have initiated and just initiated a track and keep idle, each minute by minute, second by second, it will go on tracking it, and the moment notification also it will push, this is $68, you are there. So you put your objective $90, $100 whenever. So $100 means for I want thousand lots, $100. So I want for 10 lots, how much it will come. So $10, $5, whatever you set it, based on that you can execute. Understood? So this also, this is not only this, it gives what are the other 4 to 5 strategies it will be appropriate at this point of time. Strategy 1 2 3 4 5, anything. So out of 5, anything you can take. So it is suggesting these are the 5 best strategies suitable at this point of time, based on your capital, based on your need, based on your requirement. You choose anyone. So this software has come to this stage, and in the days to come it will push the order to the Delta exchange also. You have to just select here, it will put the order for you. So this also is coming. So this is also all participants, those who have joined the yearly program, it is being given to them. And one more very important thing here, this software we are going to make it free. Don't think that it is a free means anybody can come, anyone can come and say that give me free. Free means people think that it is like a temple prasadam, anyone will come and take it. No. Anybody opens the Delta account Delta Exchange account with our referral code. Means they are connecting with Smart Finance in one way. Otherwise, we cannot push the order and many problems will be there, because this is going to push the order after a few days once it is updated to that extent. It is having its internal AI enabled things to push the order. So these softwares, those who are going to open the trade accounts through our referral, they will get it at free. Simply by opening the account, don't think that you will enjoy the software free, because we have invested a lot of money for this. This has not come just like that. Group of people sat, developed this application, they got paid, tested, many things happened. So if you are taking this and using it means we'll also see that using this software, you are connected with us, we will know that okay, he is doing a trade, he's active trader, so let him enjoy the facility free. So simply, if someone wants to make it as a self showpiece, just want to put it in the computer, sorry, this is not free for them. It is only free for the people, those who are going to use our referral, open the account, activate account via active trader. So it is for the trader. This is not a self showpiece. To them, it will be free. It will not be free for all people, because they do not know what is IV rank, what is IV percentile, they do not know what is option strategy. Such kind of people, they won't get this software. In crypto F&O, the coolness in your mind, the flexibility in your mind, and confidence of getting the profit will increase by 100%. Those who have joined the program, anyone please tell me, 2 months back we started this program, many of you have joined. So forget about the profit and loss. Whether you are confident now that whatever the strategy you have learned, 1 or 2 strategies or 3, 4 strategies in 2 months, are you confident now to handle that strategy properly and to make money? Yes or no? Those who have joined. Confident is very, very important. See, Sanjay ji is telling very much confidence. So see, this is what is required. Why this? This is what it is required. So the confidence is very important. Ratnadeep ji, Arun ji, those who have joined. I am not talking about the profit and loss. Profit and loss varies between how much money you have put into the business, how much comes to you. That is different issue. But now you are confident, you are empowered, you have the guts to make money. Once you earn that guts to make money, do you think that anybody will push you back? Do you think it is possible now? Whether it is 1 or 2 or 3 or 5 strategies, whatever you have learned, you have experienced every bit of the things. In this 2 months period, you have experienced Bitcoin at 70,000. You have also experienced at 1,09,000. Beginning of this thing, those who have joined February. During this period, the confidence in you has multiplied many folds. Bravely people are entering and coming out. That is what I need. You should be brave enough to take the position, come out, again re-enter. So this is what is required. And one more beauty of this thing. All these people, those who have told that we have confidently entering the trade and making money from that, they have not used any leverage. They have not used any leverage. Means if their money is 1 lakh, they are trading with 1 lakh and getting fantastic return. They don't want to take, the platform is giving them 2 crore leverage. They don't want to take leverage at all. Zero leverage. With their own money, they earn, they feel the return, they are confident to take the return. So that is very important. How it is achievable? How it has happened? It is not by me. It is not by one impact of training or not by anything, because the data is continuous. You have 16, you have 17, you have 18, you have 25, you have 2 to 2nd May, you have 30th May. So every day you have 6 possibilities to hedge. Since it is a 24-hour market, any moment you open the terminal, you have the privilege and you have the rights to adjust your position anytime you want, 365 days into 24 hours. Let it be midnight, let it be tomorrow early morning. That is what the flexibility added to your confidence. This flexibility, this kind of data, as a option trader, you want max pen, you want IV rank, IV percentile, you want all these data points, continuity of the or freedom to choose any expiry for hedging, all these things has added to your confidence level. This is what it is required. So those who are the serious players, they can take enormous benefit from this. Enormous benefit, I again repeat, enormous benefit. And those who are not serious players, they are earlier they are not serious, now also they are not serious. So for them, market is a gambling place. Let them dance with joy, with that attitude of gamble, and they never make money, they will never make money. Their aim is any shortcut, any mantra is there, so that I'll come for a program. Can Ranjan will tell any secret mantra by which the money will be grown, like the fruit grows in trees? No, no secret mantra I have. I have only data points. Which data point, how to use, and you make it. So, and you understood where the IV rank is utilized. You understood what is the max pen stands for. You understood what is the crypto options are there. You understood how flexible it is to play in that. So also I have shown you that, okay, you do not know whether it is a saddle, strangle, god corner, anything. So here also I have given you a solution. Click the mouse, it will filter. Now what strategy you want to do. So once you do that, you select this strategy. So this is the strategy I select. Track. So this strategy done in the evening. So now if I want to track it, so it is tracking now. So this is done in the evening based on certain prices. Now if I initiate a track, I am getting this track. So this is how system will record, system will track, system will suggest what strategy need to be taken, which strike need to be taken, what action need to be taken. Based on one lot format, it will tell you. Then based on your capital, you should initiate it. So this is how this software will help you. Other than that, it has the GAN studies. If you want to analyze the Bitcoin's price analysis based on the GAN. So what is the GAN study says, you are getting it here. So summary sections also it gives how many things it is telling, that also it gives. It has a pair trade feature also. See the pair trade I have not taken in the session now. So yes, it is already given to you. Updates will be given. See the pair trade features, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So this pair trade features, now Ethereum is X, Bitcoin is Y. So this is, so X is sell, Ethereum is X is sell, Y is buy. So Johnson's ratio says this, and there is a 50-50% ratio is there. Similar way, if you want Solana and Bitcoin, you can see this, how it is arranged. So like this way, pair trade also has formed, but pair trade don't try it now. I'll take it separately for those who have enrolled for the program. Once you start it, you can start using this interface. So it is pretty simple, and we could able to do it because of the free availability of data, quality data. So that is very important. Because of that only we could able to develop this kind of best solution. Those who have already enroll for the program, start using the software for your intraday needs, start observing, and option strategy, automatic builder, option strategy formation builder. You can initiate, store, and track those strategies. That feature also there. So many features we have added. You can start using it. Anybody has any query can ask, or those who have not yet entered to these things, we are going to help you in by walking a extra mile also, because I know this line or this particular instrument or this particular facility has the capacity to earn money. The money what you earn in Nifty and all with a great struggle, it is just a peanut there. You earn only peanut with great struggle. Here, with 10% of that struggle, 10% of that learning, 10% of that effort, you can get 10 times of the earning. And you can, to test it, many of the participants, what they did, they started with 50,000, 60,000, 1 month, 2 months, they tested. Now they scale up with 2 to 3 lakhs. Happily they are earning. 2 to 3 lakhs. Happily they are earning. So this is what is very, very important. So here you need to put certain efforts there. Certain things you have to understand there. So here softwares are going to suggest you, that is different thing. Certain terminologies you have to understand. What for IV rank stands for what? Max pen stands for what? So these are the things. 1 SD, 2 standard deviation, 1 standard deviation movement stands for what? So these are the things only you need to know. So these are the things they have already given. Little bit of web search, little bit of ChatGPT search. You can understand these things. So they have given all these things plus 2 SD, 1 SD, all things they have given. So these are the only observation of data points. Setting of an objective, what I want. If you are an intraday player, so if you can say that yes, they will convert it to dollar and all. That is a fixed rate. Hanumant Raoji, nothing to. You have to put money in the rupee, Indian rupee. You will withdraw in the Indian rupee, and it is not exchange based. Every day it won't change. They fixed a fixed rate, $85 per rupee. So if you put 85 rupees, you will get $1, 1 USD. So your earning will be in the USD. When you withdraw, you will also get in the same rate. $10 if you are withdrawing, you will get 850. You can't say that 87, how I'm getting 85, because they are fixed rate they put. They put the fixed rate, that is a non-changing rate. You can say that 85 fixed rate. So this is they are telling. Conversion is fixed. So it will not be changed there. Okay. So this is how this will go on. So this is how it will go on. And already the referral link I have given. Many of you have opened the account, but many opened the account and did not take that things seriously because of certain reasons. No, okay, kya paisa banega? So it is not like that. Again, you are tossing a losing coin in Nifty. Nifty, you are tossing a losing coin. So already I had told you why it is impossible now to make money in the Nifty related trades. First contract is 17 lakhs, number one. Number one is for contract is 17 lakhs. To hedge this 17 lakhs, you need to spend some 1.5 lakhs. If you want a proper hedging to protect the 17 lakhs position, then you need to keep a liquidity of 2.5 lakhs, because peak margin, this margin, that margin is there. So where is the flexibility of a retail player? And after taking all these things of 3 to 4 lakhs rupees worth of commitment always, how much you are going to earn? Peanut, 10,000, 5,000. Getting 25,000 itself, you will be lucky. If you are too lucky, you can get it. So and STT, all things will kill you. But here with half the contract size, which I have demonstrated in the past 2 months, 9 lakhs worth of contract, and you hedge it also. It has, and with all difficulty tests it has gone. Between this, fallen to 70k, from 1 lakh plus, again come to 85k, but given a cool return of 15 days return in the April, 15 days return in the April is $700, 56,000. 56,000. So 5 to 6% it is coming in the this much only. Delta Exchange India only, not global. The link what I have given, in that you initiate, it will take you to India. If you initiate with this referral link, what you get? You will get our software first. If you initiate with your own, no software will be given free. So this code is very important. So delta.exchange, this code, our smart finance referral code you get. So you get a fantastic tool, helps everything. This complex instrument, it is definitely having some non-regulated, all things are there. Entire crypto market itself is non-regulated. They are not non-regulated now. They are non-regulated from past 20 years. From 2012 itself, they are non-regulated. So here, so these are the things we are going to get it from the soft things. But softwares, only those who have joined for this yearly program, it is being given to them free, and it will remain free, and it will be given to only to our referral clients. That also I have again mentioning, because we are going to invest in a big way in this, and software has gained that intelligence now to suggest that AI based intelligence to suggest you the strategy. Because all cannot initiate a strategy on the time 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock. You want to initiate a strategy at morning 5 o'clock. You just select, hit the button, it will suggest. You save it, set your track, go to sleep, go to your office, anywhere you want. And based on that, it will go on interpolating the things, and you will be getting your results on hand. So these are the benefits of the software. Besides that, many other things also we have added. So it is, and no doubt it requires some guidance, because those who are new to this, they need some guidance, but that also we are ready to give. But guidance you have told, that means you come to my home and sit with me for 10 days and teach me. That is not guidance, that is called exploitation. Guidance you told, any moment I can call you for 24 hours, anytime, night 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, you are told guidance, so you give me the guidance. That is not called guidance, that is called exploitation. That kind of guidance will not be given, because whenever guidance is there, you are going to earn the money. So specified time, specified time and specified situations, you can get telephonically clarified your queries. You can get the softwares to clarify your queries. Since you are attached to us, we will see whether you have initiated the position properly or not. That also we can do. So we can help to this extent to check whether your positions are correct or not, to do whether you understood the concept or not. But understanding the concept is your job. You cannot tell me that IB rank you told me on that day, can you repeat it once more? Why don't you remember? Why don't you keep writing in your notepad? Okay, so that are the things are not called support system. Support system means person who is going to earn money, he should take major responsibility. Person who is going to support should take lesser responsibility. That is called things. So this is what our system, and believe me, if you are truly aiming to earn money in a very confident and very scientific way. Scientific way, again I repeat, mathematical scientific way. No guesswork, no if what not, scientifically working on theta, working on delta, working on this thing. But so these are the things we will be giving. So if you have already opened the account, we can't, you can send it to us. I'll check it. Farjat ji, you can send your client code. So if you have already opened the account using our code, so every account will have a code. So this code you have to give me. So if you click on this button, you will get the code. Send me by WhatsApp. I'll check it. So these are the things we are going to help you in a great way, but in a very scientific way. Same time, you need to prepare yourself to learn something unique, something special, which translate into money within days. So there, I'll not tell you to sit for 2 months, then only it will come. Return will come. No. These strategies, since every day expiry is there, then why should you sit till the month end? So once you initiate this kind of strategies, within days, 3 days, 2 days, 5 days, within a week, you should see the performance, success, profit of your positions within days. Before that, some groundwork, something you have to learn, some 1 or 2 hours you have to devote for studies, that is required. So without that, you will say that no, I am busy, I went to there, I went here, I could not able to study, then that is your problem, that I can't help it out. Okay. If you are serious enough, I am serious, I am committed, I am serious, I am committed, make me to earn some money in a scientific way, mathematical way, I will help you with open hand. If you say I am committed, I am ready to devote my time, help me to earn some money from this process, I am ready to help. Same time, do not ever over exploit that situation. No, I will call you for 2 hours, 3 hours in a day, you hang on. No, you have to put, as I said to you, you have to put the effort, I have to guide you. The person who is guiding you, he will give you instructions. Efforts you have to put. It doesn't require a huge effort. I'm not telling you month long you read, study and all. Observation based report. Tomorrow again we'll take some spreads. You will understand the spreads. Day after tomorrow we will be taking another session on that. Goal setting. Set a goal. I don't want to do intraday. Every day one trade I will do. Every 5:30, every day 5:30 I will earn some money. That also is there. So that is 5:30 I will earn some money. That doesn't mean that every day you will earn money 365 days. No. Intraday are you earning 365 days? 200 days you are earning, 250 days you are earning, even 365 days you are failing. So here 50, 60%, 70% days you will earn the money. Net you will be at positive. You will be confident. You will have the guts to face the market. Your balance sheet will be positive. That assurance I can give you. If you follow the instructions properly, set your goal, devote initial few months, devote some time on your studies, not a deep study, no need to mug up formulas and all. Where it is utilized, formula is required when you have to calculate. Here it is, he is giving IV rank, IV percentile, then why you want formula? You should know where to use it, how to use it, what is the best way to use it. If you learn these things, job is done. You will earn money. Okay. Anybody has any other query can ask. If you are committed, if you are saying that okay, I am associated with Ranjan for many years, so he's telling, let me open up one account, start practicing, start doing some trades, and let me observe whether I'm making the money or not. If that happens, if you have that part, I will definitely make you to earn money in this. And here it will be much easier than the Nifty type of stocks. Here you have flexibility. Those who are serious, those who are scientific, those who are confident to learn and having some attitude to learn and test it with a smaller capital. You have gambled with lakhs of capital. I am telling, practice few strategies with few strategies with 30 to 50,000 capital for 1 month. Then take your decision whether money comes or not. If money comes, you will put more money, you will do more business. If it doesn't come, you will know that okay, this is not coming, this is not working. It will be visible. Contract is not so huge that you are going to wipe out all 50. No. Hardly some 5,000, 6,000 risk will be there. So in that way, you can have the lessons and all. Those who will be associated through this process will tell you, like the software is initiating the strategy in this order. Similar kind of strategies will be given. You will initiate, you will experience and learn. Nothing theory is here. I'll not tell that theory will be given. You mug up the theory. So daily yield every day, if he is going to earn at 530, why he will sit for the entire day in Nifty or any stock? I bought at 100, let it go to 101 for 100, 200 rupees, STT, STT after paying nothing. He's disturbed throughout the day. Here, he's not disturbed in 530, 530 his earning is coming, putting in his pocket, he's coming out. Not 365 days. If 50% of days he earns, 50% of days also he loses, he is net profitable. That is what, see, this is now guiding the strategy. So it will improve a lot because those who are already will be having the referral with us, we'll give a plugin here. It is under development. You will click here, this order will directly execute in the data exchange. You need not have to put at what price, what all these things. It will execute from here. You'll put a track. Desired profit comes, it will close the positions. You sleep nicely at night. Happily, you can sleep in the night. This will take care of all. That stage, we are going to bring this up. Capital of 4 to 5 lakhs rupees. 5 lakhs rupees. If you prepare yourself for 6 months, 6 months if you prepare yourself, on an average, so $200 to $500 per day. Per day. If you can able to earn, it will be a beauty in your life. It will be a great beauty in your life. To reach that stage, you have to take this learning seriously. Without leverage, this 5 lakhs your money, only 5 lakhs you will be using. It will not, you will not take 50 lakhs leverage and all to early, all nonsense. With this 5 lakhs itself, you will earn. So that scope it has, that facility it has, that opportunity it has. But for that, some groundwork is required. If that kind of opportunity it is there, then don't you think that you required a lot of studies, lot of homeworks, lot of observations, brush-ups, all things is required or not? It is required. So for that, you have to, if you are, that kind of things is there, you have to prepare yourself. It won't come through just by dream. You have to work for it. You have to work for it. It will be a perfect, sensitive and mathematical business. Tomorrow we'll have the session on the basic spreads. Do join. 3 days in English, 3 days in Hindi. 6 days, it will open up lot of opportunity for you. Do invite your friends to join this program also. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Recording will be uploaded and shared in the different groups. Thank you very much. And good night to all of you.